Hello friends, my name is Alexander Stockman and today I'm going to show you how to fix rotation problems with Blender, in Blender. Uh, for example, if we have this animation, in example of this animation that I made recently, it's simple enough. Just let me show you. Character is just entering its kick animation, as you can see by the name of it, and it's entering the kick and rotates like this. Of course, it's not fixed yet, so some parts of animation may be look not finished, but this is why this is because animation is actually not finished, and we're gonna finish it right now. We're gonna get rid of this problem. If we go, for example, after this 25 keyframe, you can see that during animation we have rotation of this Rootmeister X bone. It rotates all the way 16 degrees, and in here, like you can see, this is the problem, right? So how to get rid of this problem? Well, the simplest idea that might came to your mind is to just watch, for example, the rotation on this frame, and you can just see these rotations and remember them, and try to enter that rotations in here. For example, here on z-axis minus 173, and here is 1, so it should be minus 3016 probably, like this, and it will fix rotation on z-axis. As you can see, this is the local z-axis. It fixed rotation on local z-axis, but it won't fix rotation, for example, by x-axis, and it will kind of still do it like this. And here is the problem. As you can see, x-axis is minus, and this one is minus as well. So if we go, for example, plus 16, a problem will stay and it will be worse. If you go and again like this, you get this and problem will be worse. So and as you can understand, this first frame meets with the end frame. So how do we actually fix this? Well, this type of problem where your two axis rotation are very close or have the same rotations, it's named as gimbal lock problem. It's Euler rotation problem. As you can see, or this bone uses Euler rotation, and to get to pass through this problem, you have to avoid Euler rotations, and you have to use quaternions instead. This is the quaternions, and if you will switch this, you can see that there is no keyframe on the key quaternion. So how do we actually fix this with quaternions? First of all, we need to select the bone that creates problems for us, and this is the bone. And then you can run this script. I wasted 2 days by writing this script, like to just convert bones from quaternions to from Euler to quaternion, and from quaternion to Euler back. But then I realized that there are more simple solution. It's from Rigify, and this is how the solution looks like. Convert rotation modes. I didn't know that this point is in here, and I just had to write my own custom script, and only right now I'm just realized that there is convert rotation mode script, convert rotation mode, this thing. So let's convert rotation modes. Let's use it just to convert for selected bone and for this current action. Convert our rotations of this bone to quaternion, and after this our rotations will be converted to the quaternion, and the rotation is still in here. But and as you can see, the just track for this one, and this also has the problem. As you seen already, this is, second, I'm just mistaken with something. and this as well creates very bad problem, because there is gimbal lock as well between X and Z. So we should convert this bone as well to the quaternions, and this will get rid. But you can see that our character in this frame, yes, bug is fixed, but it's rotated backwards. Like our character during animation just rotates in this direction, and here just it starts to rotate backwards. So how do we fix this? Well, quaternion is basically can be inverted. It should be inverted. For example, here minus plus minus, and here should be, let's just invert it and put here minus. Wait a second. This one should be minus, this one should be plus, and this one should be plus, and this one as well will be minus, like this, and it should fix our rotation. And rotation just continuous, as you can see, it's just continuous, and now everything can be fixed. The same thing you should do with the head, because as you can see, head does crazy things. So you have to invert your quaternion. Minus should be changed to plus, plus should be changed to minus. It will be the same rotation, because quaternions is values from 0 to 1 based on our axis, and quaternion is a bit more complicated than just Euler. And you, for example, if you will take Y location, Y transform of quaternion, then you can realize that and start to rotate it, okay, then you can see that it rotates only on the half of the circle, only to the half of the circle it rotates, and to rotate it fully, like full around, you have to affect all quaternion transforms, because quaternion is complex solution. Euler transforms are axis-based solution. Quaternions is complex solution because they represent point with the rotation of the point in the axis. So this is how you do, and you can see that this bone creates problems for us as well. But I think I can fix it with the Euler transforms, because there is no gimbal lock. There is just minus 176, and we just get minus 30, and it should be okay. Like you can see, there is no gimbal lock, so this type of problem can be fixed by just adding 30-16 degrees to your bone. This is how you do, and our animation just start working like this. So just, and now actually I can start fixing it. I can just control some bones, I can control some rotations, and it will be done. Very good. So let's just okay, I don't like that, but and now I actually can fix this in the background, because fixing the rest of the animation is annoying stuff, and I don't think that it should be covered in this video, because the most annoying problem is fixed right now. So we just can use it. So you just can use this for you for and this is the animation. Now I probably should speed it, make it faster, like, and make it more dynamic, but the most of the problem is fixed. Before knowing this, I already tried a lot of times to kind of make different kicks, and I always failed in this latest frame. So fortunately now I know how to fix this stuff, and I'm just sharing this knowledge to you. Okay, thank you for watching. That's all.